Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho to your Shopify store. So first of all, you want to go ahead to Zoho inventory. Basically they have, this is where you will connect your Shopify. And now on inventory, you want to click integrations right here. Now you will scroll down until you see shopping cart right here. You're going to click on that. And you, of course, want to enable online sales. And now you see the Shopify and you want to set up now. This is now you will be redirected to your Shopify. And here you want to click install. Now, as you can see, they will want to view your personal data. So you click install. And now you want to click connect to Shopify. And as you can see, now you want to again click connect Shopify. Now, when you go ahead to your Shopify and search right here for Zoho, as you can see, this application is already installed in here. You can also access it right here. And basically, when you click on it, you will be redirected to Zoho inventory page where you need to sign in and basically access your Zoho account. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.